This right here is the Sony SR10 camcorder, which was released in May of 2008. It's been over 13 years since I've owned this camera around that time. This camera eventually went dead somewhere around 2012, 2013 thereabout, and as you can see, there are visible cracks on this camera. This is where my career started. To put this on record, this is actually the first HD camera of any sort that I ever owned, not just a camcorder. This was actually gifted to me by my good friend, who is also my boss, who is also my brother, who is also my co-worker, who is everything. That is OBL Senior, who of course you guys are yet to see on this channel. And as you can see over here, just look at how this camera is in tatters, and let me show you something beneath it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah, that is how the under looks like. Just look like this, guys. This thing actually took a beating for almost the 7 to 8 years that this camera was actually in use. But this camera actually has a very special place in my heart, because believe it or not, I made a film with this camcorder which actually made it to some award schemes in Ghana. And again, one of our award-winning films, we actually captured most of the sound for that particular film. The title is Gonda Sheje, and most of the sound in that film was actually filmed with this camera. It sounds counterintuitive, right? It is not funny at all, because we actually used this camera very close to the subjects and used it to record the audio. So enough of the talking. I'm going to try and see, after 13 years, will I be able to put this camera on? This is the battery that came with this camera. In fact, this is not an original battery. I actually bought this along the line. I think I bought this around 2012 thereabout for this camera. So let's open it. Let's see if the LCD is still intact. Okay, I can see visible shakes. This isn't strong anymore. As you can see, this is virtually shaking. And of course, this part is also all apart. This is complete, and as you can see, there's some scratches all over. So this is the battery right here. So should we charge this before we try it, or let's just try our fate? Which one should we use? Which way should we go? All right, now let's go ahead and slide this battery in. So it goes in right here, as you can see, just right up there. Put this in. Now this right here is the power button, and all you need to do is just to press in this button and turn this wheel down, and the camcorder will turn on. Guys, pray for me. Are you ready for this? The moment of truth is finally here. Now let's go. In 1, 2, 3, go. No. Nothing happens, guys. I mean, let me try shutting it off again. Turning it on. No way. No way. No way. It has a quick turning on button here. Let's try it and see. No way. Okay, guys, so I typically don't give up on things, so let's give it one last try. I have the charger to this camera around. Let's try plugging this into actual DC power and see if probably the battery is low, because it has been off for so many years now. Okay, so I plugged it in, and this is the DC cable. This is the direct power, and it goes right here. And as you can see, oops, it can't even close anymore. It seems to be loose. Yeah, that can't even close anymore. And as you can see, I can see a little bit of some cobweb in there. Let's close this and see if I wish I had a leaf blower or something to try and pick this things out, but let's see. So we have this here, and I remember it used to have a charging light. There's supposed to be an indicator somewhere. I don't know. Okay, fine, probably there are some 2 light bulbs here, so I'm suspecting it to be one of them. So let's plug this in and see. Boom. And let's see if this shows any sign of charging. Whoa. absolutely nothing is happening, guys. Whoa. Try it this way again, plug it in, and as you can see, guys, no hope. But I still am not giving up. I think I should take off the battery. Probably the battery would have had an issue all these years. So let's put the battery to the side and try this directly and see. Just direct power. And I'm not getting any light indicator anywhere indicating that this camera is working. Whoa. Okay, so let me try the last thing, guys. Sometimes the power source or where you plug it in can also be an issue. So let's cross check that. Let me cross check that and see if it is well secured in the socket. Let's check that. Okay, guys, so I've just cross checked the power source and the moment of truth is here again without still plugging in the battery, because I'm not too sure if the battery is still as healthy as it was. So let's just try by putting this on again, then we see. Guys, do you think this would work? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. In 3, 2, 1, go. Ah! Guys, this is amazing. We managed to just put it on. I don't know what I did. I just kept moving the cable around. So I'm sure there is some cut within the cable. The cable actually has an issue. Unbelievable, guys. This is totally amazing. Just look at the information on the screen. We actually already have it displaying some information on the screen. I don't know if you can see it from the overhead camera, but this is what is being displayed over here on the screen already. This is totally really amazing. I'm short of words. Yes, it's going 2022, and let's take it. Okay, let's just skip it still, because this is just the ending of 2021. Take it here on the month, take it to the last month, that is 12, and the date, take it approximately to a time of making of this video, so that should be like 23rd, and the time right now, that is not really an issue. Let me just go ahead and say next and say okay. God, this is totally astonishing. This is clearly unbelievable, guys. I'm truly short of words. This came as a gift from someone to me who has been so instrumental in my career. He has made me who I am. It's because of him I am here. That is OBL Senior himself. I'm only here because of him, and I can never be thankful enough. He actually gave me everything that I ever wished for to become a cinematographer, or he created kind of the very good environment for me to be here today, to even be talking to you guys who have virtually become like family to me on YouTube. If you want to know more, or you see OBL Senior, like I always say, I'll bring him here at the appropriate time. He will always come on this channel. But if you still want to check him out, go to OBL Studios. I'll have links to our studio page in the description below so that you can check him out on our main studio channel. The African Amaze channel is a different channel from the OBL Studios, which is my mother's studio, so that is different. I'll have links to the OBL Studios. You can check out some of the reviews that have been done by OBL Senior. Get to know OBL, and trust me, you guys are going to like him. This again, guys, is totally amazing. Amazing, guys. I can see some footage on this. What's that? Ah, right. This is a behind scene of a production. Amazing, guys. Amazing. And that is it for this video, guys. I really do appreciate all of you coming by to watch me resurrect this 13-year-old camcorder, which has a very special place in my heart. Like I said, let me know in the comment section below if you want me to take this out and shoot anything. Then I might consider taking this thing out to shoot something for you guys out there. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this is the first time seeing my face here, welcome to this channel. I am OBL Jr. On this channel, we talk about cinematography, photography, editing, and all its related branches. If you have any further questions, guys, you can leave them in the comment section below or DM me on my Instagram at OBL_Jr. and I will gladly respond to every single one of your messages. I'm staggered by your generosity in clicking the like button and also always subscribing to the Africa Amaze channel. So if you are new here, please kindly do consider clicking on the subscribe button, hit on the notification icon so that you get notified anytime I drop awesome content like this on the Africa Amaze channel. And like always, like we do it on the Africa Amaze channel, guys. Until next time, as always, keep practicing filmmaking. Peace out.